In the last 10 years, the biomedical sciences sector was about building basics, growing the pool of scientists and turning lab findings into bedside applications. And now, National Research Agency A*STAR is ready to move things further by stepping up collaborations with industry to develop solutions in areas like infectious diseases.
Once we have that capability, and we have a lot of industry partner, in terms of medical treatment, we have so many more options. And we'll be at the cutting edge. We can have access to novel approaches, whether it's drug or treatment.
That's where the money's going to come from, products, and it's not the job here of the scientists or the clinicians to develop the products. They want to make sure that these drugs are safe and effective, or the devices are safe and effective. Then you want industry that have got the great machine to be able to take those and then put them on the market.
A*STAR also announced a new industry partnership office that will coordinate tie-ups between scientists, industry and government. It is also eyeing biomedical companies in the West, those keen to come to Asia. The target is to bring in 150 million Sing dollars in funding commitments in 5 years. The biomedical sciences sector is one of the fastest growing area of the Singapore economy. Last year, it accounted for about 21 billion Sing dollars or 10% of total manufacturing output. Now that's 3 times more compared to 10 years ago when the sector was first developed. And now with the shift to bring in more industry investment, A*STAR says that the economic impact in terms of GDP and job growth will be even bigger.